Welcome to the next step in effortless automation. Unlock Appium testing skills in 30 minutes. Having crafted your Appium script, it's now time to prepare for its execution. This lesson guides you through setting up IntelliJ IDE, a powerful IDE that will serve as our platform for running the Appium script. The right tools are essential for efficient testing automation. IntelliJ IDE by JetBrains is our chosen IDE due to its robust features and support for Java projects, including our Appium scripts. We'll walk through downloading and initiating a 30-day free trial of IntelliJ. Start by visiting jetbrains.com. Click on Developer Tools to show the drop-down menu, then select IntelliJ IDE. On this page, you'll find a download button. The website should automatically detect your operating system. Confirm it's correct and proceed by clicking the download button for the appropriate version. The download will take about 30 seconds. So, while we are waiting, did you know that Kobiton devices render at 30 frames per second, leading the industry? And did you also know that Kobiton's Appium execution performs over twice as fast as basic Appium? Visit kobiton.com to see details. After the download completes, if you're on a Mac, drag the IntelliJ application to the Applications folder. For Windows users, you'll run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Open IntelliJ from the Applications folder or your Start menu. macOS users might encounter a verification prompt due to the app being downloaded directly from the internet. Click Open to continue. You'll then see JetBrains User Agreement. Take a moment to read it, then click Continue to accept and proceed. Select Start your 30-day trial to begin using IntelliJ. Enter your email address and click Submit to finalize the trial activation. With IntelliJ IDE installed, you're equipped with a sophisticated IDE ready for Java development and Appium script execution. In our upcoming lesson, we'll configure IntelliJ to run your Appium script, bringing you closer to automating your mobile app tests. The excitement of running your first automated test is just around the corner. See you in the next lesson!